Hi everyone. I'm going to be doing a broiled salmon today. It's not really an Italian dish, but my son tells me all the time, you don't have to do only Italian. But this is very delicious. This is organic salmon. You don't have to use organic. You can use regular salmon. It's whatever. It's wonderful. What I have here is 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, and some olive oil. And it's a great dish to have. It's very quick. I have it usually on a Friday. You can have it any day of the week. And I'm having my wine today because you know what? This is my birthday weekend. I have a birthday tomorrow. So I'm going to be drinking wine from today, which is Friday, till Sunday. So I'll let you, I'll go to the next step. I'm a little buzzed. I've already had 2 glasses of wine. Here we go. Okay, so what we're going to do here is put some olive oil on the salmon. Then put the garlic. You know, some people, I've seen recipes on the web where people put like 1 clove of garlic in the pot. How do you get the flavor from 1 clove of garlic? How do you get the flavor when you don't chop it up? I don't understand. I don't mind eating garlic. In fact, I love eating garlic. It's very healthy for you, and it's delicious, especially when it's like made crispy. I like sometimes to burn it a little bit. And so I'm going to put some fresh parsley and some lemon juice. And then I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees. And you leave it in there for about 20-25 minutes. Let's get this little sucker in there. Okay, and now I'm going to put it in the oven for like 20 minutes. I'm having birthday specials. Strawberry cupcakes, strawberry shortcake cupcakes. I'm having a schwuliadel for breakfast tomorrow. Who's better than me? Okay, so it's been in the oven about 25 minutes, only because it was a little cold because I bought it like a couple of days ago and I froze it. I like to keep it fresh. But usually I put it in about 400 for about 20 minutes. Wow, look at that. It's delicious. Whoa. Yes, it's done. Delicious. Wow. Look at that. And the skin comes, see, the skin stays on the bottom. It comes right off. That's delicious. This is a great Friday dish. Actually, it's a great dish for any day. It's delicious. My daughter-in-law is the only one in the house that has it with me. So I'm going to give her a little piece. Actually, I'm going to give her some orders. But I want to take some photos.
She doesn't eat meat on Friday. That's why she always eats on
No,
Friday.
I don't eat meat on Friday either. Well, yes, I don't.
I was talking about you.
Yes, and neither does my daughter-in-law. So, well, I'm having some wine for my birthday weekend. I hope you enjoy the salmon. It's absolutely delicious. You could serve it with a salad, with a side vegetable, whatever you want. Bon appetit. Until next time.